Hello guys, today I'm bringing to you a review of an application called AMOLED Walls. AMOLED Walls. So this application is specifically for those people who are not satisfied with the duration and the length of their battery life. So we know as the new phone companies is trying to improve and bring new technology, these phones brought something called AMOLED displays or Super LED displays or LED displays. One of the good things about these kind of displays is that they are in the true blacks, like here, true black colors. Actually, these parts of pixels, the screen is not actually working. The screen is not actually working. So this part here, the screen is not actually working. Here, with the bright colors, it's actually working. So the only part that is draining the battery here is the bright colors of the face of Cristiano Ronaldo. Let's see the application. The application is called AMOLED Walls. Here it is. It has a very high number of downloads, 100,000 downloads, and it has 4 stars of rating. So let's open the application. And here you see all types of for all type of tastes, all type of walls for all tastes. And you can see here there's a lot of wallpapers, and there's one thing in common about all these wallpaper, that it has true blacks. These true blacks will help you be a little bit conservative. The screen will help the screen to be conservative with power drainage. So as we see, this is the type of wallpaper. Let's download one of those wallpapers and set them, as you see here, and set them on both. And here it is, voila. This is the wallpaper. It's simple, beautiful, and it does not drain your battery. Hope you liked the video. Thank you and subscribe.